Well, we are officially in Oklahoma, and it is everything that I expected. We've come down from the Ozarks. Things are flat. Not that flat. I mean, there's still some hills about. But it is a lot of cows. It's exactly what I expected from Oklahoma. So doing some avoid highway driving again, except for this time it's on asphalt, which is lovely. We're gonna do that for a bit and then hit I-40 at some point. I just want to haul ass through Oklahoma. I'm so ready to get some proper mountains and things like that. And this central part of the country is it's just the worst. Like, it doesn't matter which directions, whether you like take I-10 through Texas or I-40 through Oklahoma or I-70 through Kansas. It's just the worst. So that's the plan for the day. I still haven't eaten it. Did all that exploring in Bentonville, which was freaking amazing. It's 2 o'clock. I gotta eat something. So I think we're gonna drive. I'm gonna drive part of Route 66 is this way. So I think we're gonna hit Route 66 into Tulsa, and then probably hit 40 out of Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so it's gonna be very boring for hours. 7 or 8 hours. I'll try to do another 7 or 8 hours of driving. It's like 70 degrees here, and I was looking at maybe staying at like Palo Duro Canyon in West Texas for the night, and then kind of checking that out in the morning. It is 96 there right now. 96 degrees there. And then tomorrow their high is supposed to be like 63. So whatever. Let's travel. Well, we are on Route 66 in Oklahoma, and made a pit stop at the Blue Whale of Catoosa? Catoosa? I don't know. What is that, you ask? Oh. Just a random blue whale, a random little pond, middle of Route 66. Oh, looks like you can fish off of it too.
Welcome to Texas.
Good morning. It is cold. It is in the mid 40s. So good. I freaking love it. Ended up staying in Texas for an additional day near Amarillo, just because there's a crazy storm coming in, which really wasn't that crazy. It was supposed to be here yesterday afternoon, and it didn't show up until the evening, so it literally rained all night, which, I mean, let's be honest, makes for the greatest sleep ever. So yesterday was fun. I edited my first YouTube video, which is not the one that you're watching right now because you're listening in real time, or at least real time for me. It's not real time for you because you're watching this. But edited episode 1 of the vlog. It was pretty good. That was the first time I've ever really done one. That took a solid 10 hours. So, you know, if you appreciate content and the travel and all that kind of stuff, you know, do that whole like and subscribe or whatever, turn that bell thing on, I don't know, whatever the YouTube stuff is. So today we're going from near Amarillo, headed north. I was gonna go to New Mexico and do a few things, but I've been there before, so I'm gonna bypass it and go directly to Lathrop State Park. Lathrop State Park in southeast Colorado, just because I'm so excited to see mountains. Specifically, I'm so excited to see the Rockies. I've seen pictures online of this place, and it looks like there's lakes with the freaking Rockies in the background. So I'm freaking stoked. It's supposed to be some good hikes. So we're gonna go there today. It's early. It's like a 5-hour drive from where I'm at, so it should be there early afternoon, like 1 o'clock or so. And I think it's like $30 for a campsite, so I think I'm just gonna suck it up and stay a day or two. I've been really fortunate the last really 5 nights. I've probably spent less than $20 for the last week on camping. It's been great. It's either been free or super cheap. So we're gonna splurge a little bit. So that's the game plan from here. No offense to all the things that I've seen in Florida, Mississippi, and Arkansas, and Texas over the last few days. I feel like my trip is just beginning. I just made it to Colorado. We're in southern Colorado, southeast. And I see them. I'm almost emotional. I see them. I see the Rockies. Snow-capped mountains. Plains to my right, to my east. Man, it's crazy. I'm so excited right now. I'm also at about 6,500 feet of elevation, and I can definitely tell it. I feel lightheaded, weird, winded. I just did a little grocery shopping at Walmart, so it's definitely gonna take some getting used to. I've been to Colorado a few times. I know what it's like. So I know it'll also take me a few days to get used to. So that's the game plan. We're gonna hit this this lake and go probably camp for a few days, get used to it, and I don't know, continue heading into the Rockies is the game plan. I'm so excited. I'm literally almost emotional. We are here, Colorado, the Rockies. We're at Lake. Crap, I should know where I'm at. Lathrop State Park in southeast Colorado. Just on the kind of like the foothills of the Rockies over there. Onyx is dying to go for a swim, but I don't think that's allowed here, or at least it's very frowned upon. This is beautiful. I genuinely feel like this is the start of my trip. I don't have anything funny to say. I'm just very inspired. I want to write stuff. I want to sing songs. I don't know. I'm just it's crazy what mountains, specifically the Rockies, do to me. I'm just so blessed to be here. Very excited. So we're gonna go on some adventures while we're here, staying at this campsite for 2 days or 2 nights. So we've got a lot of adventures to go around here before we head to Great Sand Dunes National Park. So it'll be, or State Park, I don't know, whatever, National Monument. So that'll be pretty fun. That'll be Thursday. Very winded. Barely walked. I've got some tacos to grill up. Yeah. Tonight, it's almost Cinco de Mayo. I realize it's not Mexican holiday or whatever. I don't care. Anytime is a good time for tacos. Plus, it's Tuesday. It's freaking Taco Tuesday. Let's do this. So that's the plan. I'll show you some cooking stuff. I'm actually going to cook for the first time. Everything else you saw was, I mean, let's be honest, it was bullshit. It's time for the real deal. Ready, buddy? You ready? And can we just talk about Black Dog for a second? He is so excited to be here. Like, he's pulling, he's trying to run. I don't know if it's a temperature thing or what it is. He's acting, he's 14 years old. He's acting 4. He's just so excited. I mean, me too. Me too. All right, pork is done. Let's make a taco. This is how I suggest. Shell. Dog following you. Sour cream. It's a pretty good spread for one arm. Maybe a little more sour cream. You know. Start with the base of sour cream. I'm gonna do some pork. I like to do a little more cilantro. And I like to do a little more lime juice. And some Cholula. A little bit of avocado. Which this avocado is definitely not ready, as you can see. Whatever. Oh my god. And this is my favorite taco. Oh my god. It's so ridiculously good. It's like citrusy. You get the salt from pork and the seasoning. Cilantro. Perfect. Texture of taco shell being kind of fried a bit on the outside. Super soft, pillowy on the inside. Huh. A little bit of heat. It's so freaking good. But so simple and basic. I usually like a little bit of also Tajin seasoning. Tajin? I think it's Tajin. Seasoning on it too, just to kind of make that even more citrus pop. It's so good. It's perfect camp taco. It's so good. It makes me so happy. I'm gonna eat like 10 of them. Maybe 12. So good. Trust me on all this. Just do this one time. Season to your liking. We're all different. But the basics, you got. Somehow, I'd forgotten how much I love the Rockies. Good morning. We just went on a 4-mile hike around this lake. Just made some coffee. Jim Beam coffee. It's pretty delicious. I don't know what our day is gonna take us. I had the campsite for the entire day. We've done the long hike. I just learned that there's a bar and grill here because there's a golf course here. So I might explore that. Other than that, probably just chilling. Get some work done. I don't know. He's happy. You happy, buddy? Huh? Too many cervezas? Man, weather's weird. Not weird, but it was like 70 degrees earlier, which felt hot, which is bizarre. Now it's like dropped. It's maybe, I don't know, 6 o'clock. It's dropped into the 50s, and as you can see, I've got the old lumberjack on. I don't know what to do for the rest of the day. I guess read? I already hiked the entire place. I don't know. This will be our last night here, and then we're going to go from here to tomorrow morning. I'm going to go to Great Sand Dunes National Park. First national park of the trip. Woo! That's exciting. And then from there to Crestone, Colorado. I know it sounds random, but a lot of religious shit there. Excuse me. A lot of religious stuff there, which I'm fascinated by. Buddhist temples and stuff like that. So, and it's high altitude. It's like 8,000 feet. I don't know. It's not far from Great Sand Dunes, and it's a great place to. Looks like a great place with some free camping, some BLM land. So that's our game plan for tomorrow. Very excited. So we'll see. See you in the morning. Man, what a great start to the Colorado part of this trip. I got here a lot faster than I had originally planned, and I'm so glad that I did. The Rockies will always hold a special place in my heart, and to see them for the first time in almost 4 years truly makes me appreciate this journey that I'm on. Onyx and I have been so fortunate so far in these first couple of weeks of travel, but coming up next will be the most challenging situation we've ever experienced. Challenging enough that it may very well end this adventure. Until then, appreciate every moment you have here, love hard, and keep exploring life with an open mind.